going to show you how to fix sticky blue tack slime. The first way to make blue tack slime not so sticky is to just go ahead and pop it on your radiator for a few seconds. I would suggest 10 to 20. Another way to fixing sticky blue tack slime is to just pop it in the fridge for a few seconds, about 7 to 10. The last and final step is to just go ahead and put it on your bedside table and wait until the next day. But that's really boring and it'll take ages, so don't do that, but it's your choice.